How to buy places on Toca Boca World. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy places on Toca Boca World. Buying places on Toca Boca World is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Toca Boca World. Start the game on your mobile device. Go to the shop. Tap on the shopping cart icon usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the in-game shop. Browse available location. In the shop, you will find a variety of location, house, shops and other areas that you can add to your world. These may include city, neighborhood, vacation spots and more. Select a place. Tap on the location you want to buy. You can view detail and see the preview of the area before purchasing. Purchase the location. You need to purchase it with real money. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. This might involve confirming your payment method through the App Store or Google Play app. Download the new arena. After purchase, the location will download automatically and add it to your game. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.